Move your mouse wheel in the simulator window to scale the display. Right-click on the window to change the zoom level. To rotate the viewpoint, hold down the left mouse button and drag the cursor in the simulator window. To move the viewpoint, hold down the right mouse button and drag the cursor in the simulator window. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard or the W, S, A, and D keys to move the viewpoint up, down, left, and right. Right-click in the window and select Reset Viewpoint to reset the viewpoint. Switch between perspective projection and orthographic projection with this checkbox. Perspective projection displays a natural perspective like you see with your eyes. It makes it easy to visualize the real objects. In orthographic projection, the size of an object does not depend on the perspective. It makes it easy to compare the sizes of objects in the window. Select the projection type that best suits what you are doing. Drag the cube at the lower left of the simulator window with your mouse. The viewpoint rotates according to the cube's rotation. Click on the faces of the cube to change the direction of the viewpoint. The red faces show the top and bottom. The blue faces show the front and back. And the green faces show the sides. How to place the robot wherever you like. Click the Object Move button on the simulator window, and then click the robot to display the handles for moving it. The handles consist of linear movement handles and planar movement handles. There are 3 of each: blue, red, and green. Green indicates the X-axis, blue indicates the Y-axis, and red indicates the Z-axis. Move your cursor over the handle in the direction you want to move the robot, hold down the left mouse button, and then drag it. By dragging a linear movement handle, you can move the robot in the direction of the selected handle only. Select a planar movement handle and drag it to move the robot within the plane of the selected handle only. When you want to rotate the robot, click the Object Rotation button on the simulator window, and then click on the base of the robot. The axis rotation handles appear. Select an axis rotation handle and drag it to rotate the robot on the selected handle. How to operate a robot's joint. Click the Object Rotation button on the simulator window. When you click a joint that you want to move, the joint is highlighted in yellow. Drag the selected joint to move joints one by one. For 6-axis robots, you can move 6 joints, J1 to J6. How to move the shaft J3 of a Scara robot up and down. Click the Object Move button on the simulator window. Select the shaft J3 and then drag it up and down. Direct Teach allows you to move a robot intuitively. It is useful for quickly determining an approximate position and posture. Click the Direct Teach button. When you click the robot, your cursor is moved to the TCP, Tool Center position. Drag the robot to move it. Collision detection. In the simulation, collisions are automatically detected between a robot, including its hand, and other objects. When a collision between a robot and a layout object is detected, the joint of the robot and the object it collided with are displayed in red. To clear the collision detection, click the Reset Collision button while the robot is not interfering with other objects. The red display will return to normal.